Okay everyone, I am going to show you how to fix your skimmer basket. Occasionally you'll have a skimmer basket that fills full of leaves and the suction on the pump will cause this part to break loose. And then leaves can get through here and down into your pump. And so we want to fix that. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take a drill. We're going to take some zip ties. Now, you think it would be really simple just to go through here, loop it, pull it down tight. But the skimmer basket is a certain shape to fit down in your basket receptacle, and it is literally, it's got to fit tight down in there. So you can't go around the outside edge. What you have to do is you have to get you a drill bit until the new one comes in. That's about the same width as your zip tie, okay? I'm gonna put this in my drill. Tighten it down. And then what I'm gonna do is in the lip, as you can see, in the lip, I'm gonna, as close to the edge as possible, I am going to drill a hole. Make sure your finger is out of the way. And you're gonna drill about, you can put 2 or 3 in here. Probably want about 5 zip ties in here, spaced about 1 inch or so apart. Just make sure your finger is not behind the hole when you're drilling, or you will wish you paid closer attention. Okay. So I'm done with the drill. Now what I'm doing is, as you can see, I have 5 holes, and I can pull those down to where they were, and I can zip tie through the hole, which leaves the edge clear, to one of these holes down below. So just go through. It'd probably be best to go through the hole first. Pull your zip tie through. I'd go down a couple of holes like this. Down a couple of holes. Put your zip tie through. Pull it tight. And as you can see, it will feed it through. That hole, that drill might have been just a hair small, but feed it through. And as you can see, it'll cinch it down to where it's close to where it was originally. All right, take your next one. I always start with the middle and work out. Take the next one, do the same thing. Put it through the hole. Go down. Hold it through. Same thing. Pull it tight. Pull that one down to where it was. Now I'm using black. You can use any zip tie you want. I'm using black so that you can see the contrast on the video, but it is totally up to you, whatever you want to do. Pull it up, pull it through. Pull that tight. As you can see, now I'm gonna put 2 more in. Let me go get 2 more zip ties real quick. Guys, you can buy these zip ties at Harbor Freight for a lot cheaper than you can buy them at hardware stores or Home Depot or Lowe's. I always like to keep several on hand. Go through the hole. Pull it through. Go through the little hole there. Do the same thing. Push it through. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull it down tight. One more. And if you want to, you could reinforce this thing all the way around. But this will get you by in a pinch until your other one comes in the mail. These are pretty inexpensive. You can get a 2-pack for about $10 on Amazon. But you need your pool filter running while you're waiting on that one to come to you. So there, I've got them. Okay, so now I've got all these. All I want to do is I want to trim off the edges here, and I've got an end cutter somewhere. After you have your tail ends, just trim them off as close as you can. And then you still have an open edge here to go down into your skimmer basket. Now, what we may have should have done is put these little things inside. We'll go test it and see. Follow me there. All right, we're back over here by the pool pump, and first I want to show you something. See these right here, little things? They're called leaves. These are the reason we are in this mess to begin with. These leaves that we skim out of the pool this time of the year in early fall, we have a lot of leaves dropping, and as you can see, I've got a lot of sycamores. So those leaves get in the basket, they break the basket down. There's another one just fell in. And so we had to rework the basket. And now I want to show you something. My basket is angled. It's not a square basket, it's angled from one side down to the smaller bottom. And so when I created these, when I put these ties on, the little part that holds the tie together, I put them on the outside. So this will work, but if you have a square basket where it comes straight up and then across, you may have to put the buckle or the locking mechanism for your zip ties on the inside of your basket. On mine, I just placed it right in there, and you stick it down in the hole, and you give it a little turn, and that holds it down in there. Get all the leaves out of it, and you flip your switch on, and there you go. New and improved skimmer basket until you get the other one in from Amazon. Guys, I hope this helps. Like and subscribe below so that you can see more DIY projects in the future. And until then, just get out there, just get doing USA.